So I think there's a lot of confusion online that I see around U.S. hardiness zones. I see a lot on forums, people asking questions generally around seed starting, and people always say, well, what zone are you in? I'm in zone 5, I'm in zone 6, that kind of thing. Well, that doesn't really help in most cases. Your zone is mainly helpful for perennial plants. If you want to grow something that's a perennial, like it could be a vegetable or it could be just a bush or a tree or anything like that, the definition of that item will have what zone can it live in. So it can stand temperatures this low, basically. So if you'll see in this legend, you can see like for zone 6, for example, is where I'm at in Ohio. It gets down on average between 0 degrees Fahrenheit and -10 degrees Fahrenheit. So if I want to grow a certain plant and it can't stand that cold of temperature, it's going to die in the winter, because if it can't live in zone 6, for example. A lot of times people think it has something to do with their frost dates and when to start seeds, but it doesn't have anything to do with that. You'll see that, for example, in Maine, you'll see this green area for zone 6 and 5. That can go all the way up to Maine, but all the way down into Arizona and New Mexico. So, but they have vastly different frost dates. So their frost dates for the spring and the fall can be up to 30 days difference for those two things, even though they're in the same zone. So I just wanted to give a little bit of understanding to that. If you have any questions or if I didn't explain it clearly enough, just post a comment and I'll try to help you guys out, and I can do another video or talk about frost dates and how to find your frost dates and how to use those as well.